sneak up on me?
What are you doing here?
You stole a scroll in our sacred village. I think it is I who should be asking you the questions.
This scroll will make me the leader of my village. I'm not gonna give it up that easily. So, it looks like he can bend light. Well, that's pretty annoying. I can hear him. If that hits me, it's all over.
I see. He needs to make the sound in order to defend himself. So basically, it's a weak spot after every clap.
I can hear his footsteps. I'm just too disheveled to know exactly where he is.
Too late!
So I guess that's it. I'll be taking my scroll back now if you don't mind.
What?
Every word you just said was your downfall. I can control your vocal pressure and crush it like a bug. Therefore, I can choke you to death.
But why? Didn't you do that sooner?
The reason I didn't do it sooner is because the attack is a double-edged sword. As soon as the user grants the ability, they can have it stripped away in an instant. Therefore, I could die. But you know I have the scroll. Do you know what scroll that is?
Jutsu Revival Scroll.
Well, I don't want to leave you suffering here. And I don't want to die here either, so